Our topic today is how do you get viewers to turn into clients? We saw a lot of great videos. We saw how people have gotten millions of views. However, if those views don't turn into clients, then it's a vanity project. And don't get me wrong, vanity projects are good. They're a lot of fun. I mean, it's a lot of fun to be popular and well known. However, if you don't turn it into, if you don't turn those views and those videos into clients, then it's a vanity project, nothing more, nothing less. And you know, that and as they say, that and 50 cents a coffee will 50 cents will buy you a cup of coffee, unless of course you go to Starbucks. Then it's that and 10.50 will buy you a cup of coffee. But in any event, your goal needs to be how to turn viewers into clients. Just flat out. If you want to do video, it's got to be how to turn viewers into clients. There's three simple and effective ways to do that. If you want to take somebody who's viewing your video and turn them into a client, there's three key components. They're on the screen. You can read. I'm going to read them anyway because I like to hear myself talk. The first key is hook. The second key is value. And the third key is pitch. Now, I was going to acronymize this. It's my new word for the day. And call it the HVP. But we had the MVP. And after the last webinar I did, I was told by people who know that I had too many acronyms that I was making their heads spin. So I decided not to acronymize this. And we're just going to leave with hook, value, and pitch. The hook is, of course, what it sounds like. Hooks somebody in to watch the rest of your video. The value is provide immense value. And the pitch is always make sure to give them a pitch at the end. So let's take these things one at a time, break them down a little bit, and go a little bit deeper versus the overall just hook, value, and pitch. So when it comes to the hook,
to watch the rest of this epic webinar, visit ProCoachTV.com and claim your free membership. Do it now. You'll be glad you did. Are you still here? What are you waiting for? Go to ProCoachTV.com right now and claim your free membership.